Today we are talking about your why. Why do you decorate your planner? So stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking all about why you decorate your planner. I'm sure you've had to justify to someone who just doesn't understand this hobby. One, it's none of their business, but two, sometimes you just want to have a response so you just feel a little bit better about something that actually makes you extremely happy. And it should make you happy. You should feel proud to talk about it. And sometimes I just feel a little silly when I'm explaining what decorative planning is all about. So if you know your why, then it will be a lot easier to tell other people why you do it. Everyone's why is going to be different, but I think the one thing that we all have in common is that decorating is fun. It's super fun. It's just a time to relax and enjoy the moment. I mean, you could be extremely organized in a plain planner that's not decorated. That's its point. Planners have been around for years, but adding the decoration gives it meaning to us. It makes it special, whether it's because it's your hobby, whether it's your creative me time, whether it's just a way to motivate you when you open up your planner and see those pretty pages. Whatever your reason, it's important to you. So your reason for decorating and your reason for organizing can be the same, or they can be completely different. Maybe you have small children at home, or you have a busy job, or you have an empty nest and you have all these activities that you need to plan into your calendar. Or maybe you don't have a lot of activities and things to schedule in, but you still really like playing with paper and stickers and watching and all the other fun stuff. I think a lot of us enjoy this hobby because it's a little bit of me time, a time to escape, play with paper, get creative, and really have some fun. And then you get to look at this pretty planner spread that you've made all week long. And playing with pretty stickers is a fantastic way to come and get away from it all. Maybe you're a creative and this hobby lets you pair together being organized in your life and being creative and playing with paper. Maybe it's more the motivation. When you look at those pretty stickers every day when you open up your planner, it really motivates you to check off those tasks that are next to each sticker. It gives you that extra boost and motivation to get all those tasks done. Maybe it's a combination of all of these or some of these. It doesn't matter, but you need to know why you do it because then it'll make it even more enjoyable for you. So maybe it's your me time. You have a busy life all week long and 1 hour on Sunday is your time for you to relax, have some creative time, and just breathe. If this is why you decorate, then maybe you could light a candle or put on your favorite music or your favorite audiobook. Don't minimize the importance of taking time for yourself. Prioritize this hour or two or however much time you have to really enjoy it and really have fun with it. And that'll help you recharge for the coming week. If it's your creative outlet, if you're a creative person, don't think that the only creative things that count are painting or drawing or photography. Creativity can be anything from creative problem solving to planning to cooking. Anything that gets your juices flowing and your brain working in a different way than your regular everyday life. That's creativity. When you use your creativity, it sort of keeps the creative muscle limber and nimble and ready to be creative whenever you need it again, so that you can grow as a creative person and also be able to use it in different parts of your life. If being creative is the main reason that you decorate, then prioritizing time to decorate is really important. What you might want to do to stretch those creative muscles is a challenge. Maybe you could use a new product, or you could limit the products that you use. Maybe you make a spread with only washi or only blue. Challenging yourself will help you step outside of the box so that you really have to use your creativity in new ways. Now, before I tell you my why I decorate my planner, I wanted to tell you a little bit about my class. So if you liked what I've said here, this is just the tip of the iceberg of my new class. I have a class about decorating your planner and it's coming out really, really soon. We're going to start with your why, but then we're going to move into the how-tos and the tricks and the tips and all those things so that you can have each week a planner spread that looks fantastic every single time. You will know the hows and the whys of making sure that your planner looks good, it looks balanced, and everything looks great. So every time you open it, everything's perfect and you love it every single week. Registration opens March 5th. Class starts March 16th. Sign up in the description box below to get more information as it becomes available. Okay, so now my turn, my why. For me, it's a mix of all the things that I talked about today. I love challenging myself creatively, and I also love having a little bit of time away for myself every week so that I can have some fun and just time to relax and get a chance to play with stickers and paper. But there's also a part of my why that's for you. A lot of the spreads and the setups that I do aren't even in planners that I use. So what I'm doing is showing you with these YouTube videos how I would do things so that you can learn and make it your own. I don't necessarily need to have my own planner to be all dolled up to motivate me, but it is an extra bonus. But the main reason that I do this is for my own me time, my own creative outlet, and also so that I can teach all the things that I love to do to you. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. My next video will be on Wednesday when I have more planner hacks for you. And next Sunday, I will be back with some tips for you to stop the impulse buying. I know we're all guilty, me too. So stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comments below what time of the week you like to decorate. You can click here on my little face to subscribe. While you're waiting for the next video to come out, here are 2 videos that I think you'll like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.